Third row, it's Kyle Irvine and young Jayden McBrearty from Donegal. The revs rise. We wait for them to go their away up to the hairpin to complete the first lap then. Jayden McBrearty trying to go around the outside of Nathan Sweeney. He's got it done. A great move there by the young Donegal man round the outside of Nathan Sweeney. He gets the run out onto the front straight. McBrearty looking racy behind Hoey there in the blue stables car. He switches to the outside. It might be a good move as when you're offline. Sometimes you get a bit better. Oh, that was somebody. Nathan Sweeney was really late in the brakes, so he had to make the switch across before he made contact with the back of Kyle Irvine, and it's paid off. He's down the inside. He's past him. McBrearty has made the switch back to try and get the run out onto the front straight. Obviously thought he could hold them off. Oh, Logan Hoey's two wheels. He's two wheels well onto the grass there. So McBrearty's now up to a podium spot. Away they go. Leo Richardson's definitely struggling with the starts today here at Kirkistown, and he's dropped back already as they're down. Oh, there's a bit of contact. Richardson makes contact with McBrearty there. They're down at Colonial already. Third, McBrearty fourth, and Irvine's now fifth. Oh, Richardson's late on the brake. He's out-braked himself. He was aquaplaning down the inside there of McBrearty. He's run really wide. Beside him on the second row, Irvine and Perez on the third row. Away they go. Now Logan Hoey leads. McBrearty's up to second, but he's under pressure from TJ Tapp. He goes to avoid, and the red flags are out again.